Variegated.
Yeah, variegated. Yeah, that's a term that we use to describe coloration of the leaves. And a lot of people think variegated just means white, but it not, or cream colored, but it could be other colors in the leaves as well. It's usually a lack or a lessening of the chlorophyll or the green pigment. You know, but typically it means the white coloration, you know, of the leaves. And that doesn't actually commonly happen in nature. So we manipulate things to make the variegation come out, and a lot of times we lose the variegation of some plants when we bring them out in full sun or shade. It could be either one. I've got some variegated bamboo that only has the variegation in the sun. If I grow it in the shade, it loses its variegation. Hostas are a big, hostas have, you know, really pretty variegation. So many cultivars of hostas, but I had a plant one time that came out with, it was a variegated plant, and it came out with one stem that was purely white. And as long as it was on that plant, you know, it grew. And I thought, I'm going to try to propagate that. Well, you know what happened? It died because there was no chlorophyll in the leaves.
Okay.
So it couldn't produce what it needed to root because there was no chlorophyll.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.